Hello there, my name is Alex, and I'm the founder of Askflow AI. So I'm here to guide you through the first part of our tutorials, where I'll show you how to seamlessly connect Askflow to your Shopify store. Here is a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, you can find the Askflow app in two ways. Either visit our website and click Try in Shopify, or search for Askflow in the Shopify App Store and select our application. Once you've found the app, click on Install. In the integration window, again, just click Install the app. You will now be taken to the installed app connector, which will seamlessly connect to your Shopify store and transfer your product catalog to the main Askflow platform. Just simply click Connect button. Here you'll need to create an Askflow account, enter your email, complete the verification process, and then provide your name and a secure password. That's it. Soon, all your products will be uploaded, if they aren't already, and you'll be ready to create your first quiz with Askflow. If you have any questions or need further assistance along the way, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're excited to have you on board and look forward to helping you create personalized shopping experiences for your valued customers.